Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see Hlookup. H stands for horizontal. Hlookup similar to VLOOKUP. So in this Excel I have one table. So by using this table we will put Hlookup function. So here you can see product and then its quantity, code and price. Product I have updated in the column and then quantity, code, price I have updated in the row. So let's see Hlookup equal Hlookup open bracket lookup value we need to select lookup value is apple comma and then table array we need to select. I am going to select this table comma. So based on the product I need price. So from the apple the price is on the fourth row. I am going to give 4 comma. Here you can see approximate match or exact match. We need exact match, so I am going to update 0. If we need approximate match, we should enter 1. So here we need the exact match, so I have updated 0, put closed bracket and then enter. So as you can see, we get it the apple price. Now I am going to change apple into onion. It should be now 48. See, the price value has been changed as per the lookup formula. So based on this table, we will see VLOOKUP. Just to copy this table, I am going to paste special transports, give OK. Now I am changed the column data into row data into column data. So based on this table, we will see VLOOKUP now. Type apple equal VLOOKUP open bracket lookup value. The lookup value is apple comma select the table of array. So we need to select the table comma. So based on the apple product we need is price. So the price on the fourth column. So I am going to update 4 comma 0 close bracket enter. As you can see the apple price is 250. We get the value. I am going to change into onion. Onion price is 48. So this is how we should use Hlookup as and VLOOKUP. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe if you like this video.